Still broke after payday? Try this routine. Most people get paid, and within 10 days, they're broke again. No budget, no plan. Just vibes, and regret by the end of the month. But here's a payday routine that actually works, simple, repeatable, and stress-free. Step 1. Pause before spending. Don't spend anything for the first 24 hours. Take a breather. Let the hype settle. This helps avoid impulse spending. Step 2. Check in with your money. Open 3 things: your bank account, your budgeting app, your calendar. Ask, what's due? What's left over? What's coming? Step 3. Use the 50/30ths 20 rule. 50% for needs, such as rent, groceries, bills. 30% for wants, such as fun, eating out, shopping. And 20% for savings, having a tight month. Adjust to 60/20ths 20. Just make sure savings stay in. Step 4. Automate everything. Set auto transfers to savings, investments, debt payoff. Automation removes the temptation to skip saving. Step 5. Reflect for 10 minutes. Ask, what worked? Where did you overspend? What's the plan for next month? This helps you stay intentional and avoid repeating mistakes. Rename your savings. Naming it gives it purpose, and makes it harder to touch. You don't need spreadsheets or a finance degree. Just this system, done every payday. Try it once, stick to it for 3 months. And follow Mind to Money 2024 for more real money tips that actually work.